Hi, my name is Rod Henderson. I'm the Managing Director and CEO of Ampcontrol. Ampcontrol is established here in the Hunter for 50 years. It's our headquarters here and will always be our headquarters, employing close on 1,000 people who builds electrical equipment for the energy and resources sector. Ampcontrol has always been very big on innovation. One really good example is we're working in Western Australia at the moment, and we're taking people's homes in rural areas off the poles and wires, and we're giving them their own renewable energy power supply. We're working in conjunction with Horizon Power, the utility over there, and what it's doing for people is giving them the opportunity to live where they want to live and still have all the modern conveniences. So Ampcontrol has also developed an underground electric vehicle for the mining sector. As the mining sector recognises it's got to be more in tune with climate change, they're looking to electrify as much as possible, and we've taken a diesel machine and we've converted it to an electric vehicle, which now is emission free. So that's starting to roll out across the Hunter mines. We'll also roll across Queensland mines and most likely out into Western New South Wales and Western Australia as well. We're taking water which is not currently drinkable, we're processing it via renewable energy and turning it into drinkable water. The best example of this one is in Alice Springs, where we're allowing a small Indigenous community about 70 kilometres outside of Alice Springs to take the bore water, which has previously been undrinkable, and now they have fresh water every day. The benefit for that family and the community out there is that they've seen their health improve quite significantly over the past 3 years since the system has been installed. I have no doubts in 10 years that the Hunter will be one of the primary manufacturing areas for energy. We've got battery companies wanting to establish here, you've got Ampcontrol, you've got 3ME, you've got Varley and other companies that are already doing tremendous things in the energy space. I would be very surprised if that doesn't quadruple or even more over the next 5 years. What I love to see is that for every 5 people that Ampcontrol employ, we spin off other jobs here in the Hunter, whether it's the guy down the corner making the sandwiches for lunch or other industries setting up to support companies such as us to make sure we can achieve. So I think there'll be a whole value chain created. I think the Hunter's very well placed to transition. We, for example, are setting up our electric vehicle manufacturing at the moment. We're taking on further electricians. If they've got an electrical trade, the on-the-job training is very high at Ampcontrol. So we're also establishing a training centre within Ampcontrol to train our own people up on our own products and services and solutions. So I think the transition will be quite comfortable for the Hunter.